10-year note yields close out the week higher, seeing yields get up to as high as 435 before closing out the day at 433, up about 4 basis points on the day. The initial move saw yields move lower after the PCE data, and then started to creep higher during the session as we heard from some Fed speakers, again, alluding to the higher for longer tone that we've heard from the Fed. Ultimately seeing yields climb to their highest since June 12th, and again, seeing a move north of 430 up to 435 before backing off and closing at 433, up 4 basis points on the day, up about 7 basis points on the week. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You will notice that on a closing basis, volatility has been relatively flat for about the last week and a half. Yeah, we have seen our moments where volatility has gone up or down intraday, but on a closing basis, it has remained relatively flat as the market kind of waiting for that next catalyst event. And we have some events coming up next week, which I'll talk about in a moment. So what do we have coming out next week? Well, next week we will have the Fed chair speaking from Portugal on Tuesday. We will get the June FOMC minutes on Wednesday, and that will be followed up by Friday's non-farm payroll. And squeezed in between there, we will have the 4th of July holiday where the markets are closed. So a lot going on next week, despite the fact that we have a U.S. holiday. So after seeing yields move lower early in the week and then rallying to end the week, about 7 basis points higher week over week ahead of next week's Fed Chair Powell, FOMC minutes, and non-farm payrolls.